Hey guys, so this is your My Math Lab assignment, and I just want to go over how to use this part of the graphing feature. It's a little bit cumbersome, but so I hope you can still keep a positive attitude when you're doing this. Super short assignment, 5 questions. Some of them do have multiple parts, sorry. But we had to graph this. And if you want full credit, you have to graph this on here. So we click on this little grapher to get us started. We had to know that this is a polynomial. We have a bunch of options here: parabola, absolute value, circle. But this is the generic polynomial, so I'll click on that. And it's going to give me directions up here if you want to enlarge this, but it's going to want me to graph 4 ordered pairs. And then once I graph 4 ordered pairs, I can then dictate where those ordered pairs go more specifically. So if you are very, very capable, you know what this looks like right away and can just pop it in there. But I, however, am not. So I would just, I do know, however, that if you plug in 0 for x, the result will be 0. So I'm going to put a little order pair at 0, 0, and then just randomly put out 3 more. So I'm sure that's not the correct answer. But now what I need to do is I can hover over these blue dots and specify what ordered pair I want them to be. Let's first get, okay, whatever. So let's just edit these coordinates. And first of all, I want to make sure 0, 0 is in there. So I'll change this to 0, and I'll change this to 0, press submit, and 0, 0 is there. And then I type in another one. I rotate to another one. Let's do this one. And I could type in 5 for x as long as I have my calculator handy. Yeah, let's just do that right now. So if I do type in 5 for x, I got my calculator here. I will have to do, it's loading. By the way, the TI-83 you can get on your phone for free. Sometimes it's slow and loading. Come on. Hallelujah. So I'm typing 2 times 5 to the 3rd power minus 5 to the 2nd power minus 5 times 5. Let me just double check if I did that. 2 times 5 cubed minus 5 squared minus 5 times 5. So all in one shot right there. Press enter. And what do I get? 200. So when x is 5, y is 200. Awesome. That won't work. So let's try something smaller, like 1, which that's what I wanted to do anyway. When you want to, why type in 5 when you could just type in 1? You want to use smaller numbers as possible. So when x is 1, we could do this in our head. When x is 1, this is 2 times 1 cubed. So that's 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 5 brings me to negative 4. So when x is 1, y is negative 4. Submit. Yes. And I got another one over here, this negative 1, negative 1. Negative 1 is a great one to do because negative 1 is a kind of a small number. When x is negative 1, well, negative 1 cubed is also negative 1. So this is 2 times negative 1. This will become negative 2. Minus x squared. Well, if I square negative 1, I get positive 1. So this is, remember, negative 2 minus positive 1. So that's negative 3 right now. Negative 2 minus 1, negative 3. Minus 5 times negative 1, so that's going to make it plus 5. So negative 3 plus 5 results in positive 2. And then my last one is, I think they lock it once you edit the coordinates. This last one is a free mover, and you're going to 1 and -1 are already chosen. I really don't want to do decimal. I mean, I could put in 0.5, but I enjoy my life and I don't want to suffer through that. So I'm going to have x equal 2 and try to do this in my head. 2 cubed is 8. So 2 times 8 makes it 16. So this first term will be 16 minus 4, because 2 squared. So 16 minus 4 is 12, minus 5 times 2, which is 10. So 12 minus 10 is 2. Let me just double check if I did that right. This is 16 minus 4, which is 12, minus 10 is 2. And there it is. And I put the coordinates in for 4 points. And now I can press save and move on with my problem. So there is the graph of this. It does take a little practice, but sure, you're going to be great at it.